The best workout. The best workout routine that will help you achieve your fitness goals and get in shape. Whether you're a beginner or have been working out for a while, this routine is designed to provide a well-rounded workout experience. So let's jump right in. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Importance of warm-up. Before we begin, it's crucial to warm up your body. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and prepares them for the upcoming workout. Spend 5 to 10 minutes engaging in light cardio, such as jogging or jumping jacks, to get your heart rate up and warm up those muscles. Follow it up with dynamic stretches, like arm circles and leg swings, to enhance your flexibility. Cardiovascular exercise. The first component of the best workout is cardiovascular exercise. This type of exercise gets your heart pumping, improves endurance, and burns calories. You have various options, such as running, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio that makes you break a sweat. Find an activity you enjoy, as it will keep you motivated and engaged. Strength training. Next up, we have strength training, an essential part of any effective workout routine. Strength training helps build lean muscle mass, increases metabolism, and improves overall strength. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, chest presses, rows, and shoulder presses are great examples. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise, using weights that challenge you but maintain proper form. Flexibility and mobility exercises. Flexibility and mobility exercises are often overlooked, but are crucial for overall fitness. After your workout or as a separate session, dedicate time to static stretching. Stretch major muscle groups like hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, chest, shoulders, and back. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on proper form and avoiding bouncing or forcing the movement. These stretches improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Importance of rest and recovery. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Allow your body time to recover and adapt to the training. Take rest days between sessions or alternate between different muscle groups if you're strength training. Get enough sleep, hydrate well, and nourish your body with a balanced diet to support your fitness goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.